a software that can turn your imagination into reality. I've seen a lot of Blender journey videos on YouTube, so I thought, let's just share my interesting story, the way I found Blender. So my story starts when I was looking for an open source video editing software. I got a list of softwares. After trying a bunch of them, I thought, let's just give Blender a go. So I downloaded the Blender. When I opened the software, I saw this weird interface which I never saw in my whole life. I was a bit confused at the time what to do. So I went to YouTube for Blender tutorials, expecting editing tutorials, but instead I found these mesmerizing renders that just blew my mind. And I came across the Great Donut series, and I instantly started following it. After failing a couple of times, these are one of my first renders. After watching some tutorials in lighting, I started following Rick David, and I created some renders by following him. Then I was watching a tutorial of Polyfjord and saw this cool animation, and I tried to create my own. And then I created some renders by following Ducky 3D tutorials. I created my first car animation by following Animatable. Then I created this render with the help of Polygon Renovate tutorial. I was struggling to manage the time, so I took a break of 3 to 4 months. After the break, I stumbled upon Kevan Sabahan's work on Instagram. I got mesmerized by his beautiful artwork, so I challenged myself to create similar masterpieces. Then I created another animation by following Blender Made Easy tutorial. I was researching on a Pinterest and saw a lot of these cute isometric renders. I took inspiration from there and I tried to create my own renders. Before ending the video, I wanna tell you something. If my Blender journey has taught me anything, it's this. The key to mastering this craft is persistence. Whether you are just starting or hitting roadblocks, the secret sauce is to keep going. Create render after render. Don't just consume knowledge, practice it. The more you create, the more you learn. The journey might have its challenges, but every render, every project is a step forward. Embrace the process, learn from your mistakes, and strive to improve with each creation. Trust me, those bad renders are just stepping stones to your next masterpiece. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Keep that creativity flowing. Stay inspired and let each render be a testament to your growth. So, to all aspiring Blender artists out there, keep practicing, Keep learning and most importantly, keep creating. Your journey may have bumps, each one is a lesson. Embrace them and you'll see your skills skyrocket. Remember, the art of 3D is a journey, not a race. Enjoy every step and let your passion for creation be your guide. If you got something helpful from this video, please consider subscribing and becoming the part of family. I've planned a lot of things, documentaries, Blender tutorials and tips. So stay connected and I'll meet you in next video. So happy blending everyone. Bye.